Hello. Yes, I remember that Chicago big snow. I was just a little girl. Let's get started. So, this is a 14-inch wreath I got at the Dollar Tree. And I have a children's scarf I also got at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to wrap it around the wreath. But first, I'm going to cut off the fringe. So now I've cut off the fringe, and I'm going to just first glue it down to the wreath. Just put some glue on the edges. So I'm just going to put some glue along the edges of the scarf so it'll stay in place while I wrap it around. So yeah, I'm using hot glue for fast setting. Okay, so now I'm gonna start wrapping the scarf, and it's a fleece scarf with snowflakes. It's gray. I thought that was a great color to go with the snow, and you'll see later what I'm talking about. So I'm really pulling it taut because it's got to go all the way around the wreath. Keeping it straight as I go. So now I've come to the end, and I'm just going to glue it down like I did before. Along the edges I'll put some glue and just glue it in place. And you'll notice the scarf didn't go all the way around. I have this gap. So remember that fringe I cut? I'm going to start putting the fringe in that area. And it's gonna look better than you think it would. I was surprised myself, but it blended right in. And plus that area is gonna be covered. So here it is, all covered. So next, this I really love. It really looks like snow. I also got this from the Dollar Tree. I love it. So I'm just gonna wrap this around like I did the scarf. So I glued it in place just like I did the scarf and wrapped it all around. And you'll see it looks just like snow, and it blends with the snowflakes to make it look like a snowy wreath. So here it is. I like the way it turned out. So next, I'm gonna add this beautiful snowflake. So the snowflake has its own little hanger. So I'm gonna use that hanger to glue it on the back of the wreath. I'm just gonna place it in place, and I'm just gonna glue that down. Now I'm setting the house on the top edge of the bottom of the frame and gluing it down in place. So now I'm adding the Christmas bulbs, but first I'm gonna take off that part of the bulb where you hang the bulb, and I'm gonna cut that edge right off. Now you'll see it flying, so be careful in taking that off. So I'm gonna start at the bottom, and I'm just gonna work from side to side so I can see how it ends at the top, which I'll be covering with a star. So it's coming along nicely. I just have to glue the snowflake down in the back. So I've already glued the snowflake down in the back, and now I'm adding the star. By the way, I glued the snowflake to the house on the back. And now I'm adding the peace ornament to the bottom. And a little stone on the star to give it a little bit of pizzazz or shine. Here I'm just putting a little bit of cover over the hanger to reinforce it, so when I hang it, it'll be stronger. So it's a little piece of the fringe that I'm putting over the top of the hanger. So now I'm going to reveal it up close and hanging, and I added a bow.